If you have received a ban on your Google Calendar, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the appeal process effectively. Step 1. Review the ban notification. Check the email or notification you received regarding the ban. Understand the reasons provided for the ban, as this will help you address the issues in your appeal. Step 2. Gather relevant information. Collect any necessary information that supports your case. This may include screenshots, usage history, or any correspondence with Google that relates to the ban. Step 3. Access the appeal form. Visit the Google support page for Calendar and locate the appeal form. Make sure you are logged into the account that has been banned to ensure your appeal is linked to the correct account. Step 4. Complete the appeal form. Fill out the appeal form with accurate and detailed information. Clearly explain why you believe the ban should be lifted, referencing any evidence you gathered in Step 2. Step 5. Submit and wait for a response. After completing the form, submit your appeal and wait for a response from Google. This may take some time, so be patient and check your email for updates regarding your appeal status. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal a ban on your Google Calendar. Good luck!